Are you a cellist or a musician feeling not motivated because you feel you're not making the progress that you like? Well, I feel you because I am on the same side as you. Soon I'm gonna have to record piano, cello pieces, and a few of them are quite tricky and require some practice. And right now it's not going so well. So you see, you're not alone. Every single musician on earth has their own bad experiences. So in today's video I have a few practical tips for you in order to revive that passion and overcome these obstacles. So let's get right into it. So first things first, let's discover the cause of your frustration. Is it because you're not seeing progress? Or maybe you practice wrong, or you don't practice enough, or not at all. But mainly it's because we don't have enough patience. You know, we want things very quick. We want quick results, and that's the world we're living in. You know, the retention is getting lower and lower with the day. Well, yes, we are practicing our 2 or 3 hours per day, but that will not do the job. To master something, it takes a really long time. Let's take an example. Did Michael Phelps become a world legend champion by just swimming a few rounds in his swimming pool at his house? Or did Lionel Messi become historical just by shooting a few balls during break time at school? No, they spend their whole life training. We all fail, but when we fail, we have to analyze what went wrong and then we have to adjust it. And the adjusting part is what takes most of our time. So again, loss of patience is key, and remember these 4 notes that I'm gonna tell you now. Try, fail, analyze, and adjust. You just need these 4 words to build success. I heard that, yeah, you need talent and so on. Yes, maybe yes, but let's not forget that talent is only 10% and 90% is the work. So let me emphasize this again. It's completely normal to have bad days in your musical journey. But remember, progress isn't always measured by dramatic leaps forward. Sometimes it's these small little improvements that makes the huge difference. So in order to break that plateau, it's very important, crucial to diversify your practice routine. Focus on fundamental things such as scales, bowing exercises, etudes, pieces and so on, in order to enhance your skills. Sometimes we are stuck with only one piece for months, so why not to expand your repertoire a little bit, you know, for the longer term. My suggestion would be 1 major and minor scale, arpeggios, an etude or 2, 1 or 2 musical pieces, could be a movement or a complete sonata or a movement or a complete concerto, again for the longer term. Another helpful tip is to set specific, achievable goals for yourself. It doesn't really matter to improve your intonation, to master a certain passage. Having clear objectives can give you a purpose and direction in your practice sessions. Now my next point is a very important one. I know that many among you that are watching this video are self-taught cellists. From one side, congratulations, it's great that you are taking the autonomy by yourself. But from another side, there is a catch. Time by time, we need feedback from great teachers. To have feedback or lessons, it is very important because one thing is when you sit as a first person and you're playing, you may have overmissed or overlooked a couple of things. A good teacher will see your weak points, your weak pain points, and he will address this to you. And then this is going to be the aha moment for you. And then you go to practice and you practice what the teacher said to you, and like this you will feel improvement. And this is where I come in. On this channel you will find everything that has to do with the cello. I already helped over hundreds, if not thousands, of cellists to highly improve their cello playing. So if you think that my content is helping you, then consider to subscribe. But of course, I don't go so detailed in these videos. For this you need real-time lessons. If you want to have a one-to-one online cello lessons with me, well then definitely check out my website in the video description below. And trust me, you will have a total new and exciting experience. Now, going to the last point. And for me, it is probably the most important thing to keep in mind. Remind yourself, why did you fall in love with the cello in the first place? Maybe it's a beautiful sound, maybe it's a beautiful expression you can create, or even the sense of accomplishment. To reconnect with your passion can revive that motivation to keep playing. So if you are feeling discouraged, remember, you're not alone. Every single musician on earth, they face challenges along the way. The most important thing is stay patient, stay positive, and keep practicing, no matter what happens. Come on, you've got this. This is not the end of the world. Don't take the easy exit and just drop off. Well, I hope that this video gave you a sparkle and motivated again to go for it. If you have found value in it, give it a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and remember the things that I told you in today's lesson. If you are having trouble by playing scales, well then definitely check out this video over here where I give crucial tips to enhance your playing. Definitely check it out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.